Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the environment so build friction is gone. Install NET6 Plus and WPF tooling, then create a new WPF MVVM project. You choose an execution model, plug-in assemblies for compiled modules, Roslyn scripting for dynamic scripts, or a command queue for predefined actions. Once done, add Microsoft Code Analysis, C#, scripting for safe script evaluation, and a logging library for audits. Make sure to define clear interfaces for commands so you can load and invoke. You now implement the executor core that receives, validates, and runs work. Start by defining iCommand handler T and lightweight DTOs. This ensures consistent payloads. When loading plugins, use assembly load context to isolate assemblies and permit unloading. That prevents memory leaks. For Roslyn, host scripts with a restricted globals type, pass a cancellation token, and set script options to limit references. Also add timeouts, input validation, and structured logging so you can trace every execution and stop runaway tasks quickly. You finish by hardening, testing, and packaging the executor so it's production ready. Add sandbox controls, run untrusted code in a separate process if needed, enforce timeouts, and validate permissions before invoking handlers. Once complete, run unit, integration, and load tests, include simulated failures to verify recovery. Package with single file publish or an installer and expose runtime limits in configuration. If things go wrong, check logs and reproduction steps, then increase isolation or tighten validation before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.